Every custom-fit cover from Transhield starts with a concept and ends as a fully engineered product, ready to protect in the field. From design to material lamination, manufacturing to distribution, Transhield's ISO 9001 certified protective process ensures quality at every step. The origin of a Transhield cover begins at our lamination and distribution center in Del Rio, Texas. Here, Transhield's proprietary films and fabrics are laminated together on a high-output lamination line, creating the foundation for our signature durable and weather-resistant products. Then, at our corporate headquarters in Elkhart, Indiana, our data acquisition technology, DAT, and design teams begin the cover creation process, translating customer requirements into precision-engineered, custom-fit protection. Every cover is developed in a 3D environment using customer-supplied 3D models, scans from Transhield's on-site scanning service, or basic 2D drawings and measurements. Rolled materials are then delivered to one of our production facilities, Acuna for high-volume industrial and marine orders, and Elkhart for military contracts and special projects. The process starts with precision plotting and cutting of material, followed by pre-assembly, where zippers, vents, and other custom features are added to the cover. Final fabrication is done using ultrasonic welding, bar welding, or industrial sewing, depending on the cover's requirements. Each cover then undergoes a thorough inspection to ensure it meets our quality standards before being folded and boxed. Completed covers return to Del Rio or Elkhart to be distributed to customers across the globe. Our supply chain supports fast, efficient fulfillment across industries, from defense to commercial markets. From digital concepts to physical protection, Transhield's protective process ensures a smooth, repeatable system, backed by speed, scale, and decades of experience.